Amber Heard reacts to court stop listening to her lies. As the case of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have already made it to the headlines, the court has stopped listening to the actress's lies. Instead, she seems to be the real villain in their story. Let us analyze the whole issue and reasons in today's video. If you update with all the latest news, you might have heard the physical abuse case against Johnny Depp. It was one of the reasons why the couple parted their ways. They eventually ended up in a never-ending legal battle. However, things have taken an interesting turn recently. First, Johnny Depp gained a major victory against her former partner. It could be a major thing for him as the actor has already suffered a lot. You'll be shocked to know that the entire Hollywood industry boycotted him for quite a long time. All people started perceiving Johnny Depp's character through a negative lens. It took a heavy toll on his career as he got the tag of a wife-beater. Johnny Depp was already losing some significant movies, including Disney and the Warner Brothers franchise. He then decided to take immediate action against the injustice. The actor sued his former wife, Amber Heard, in a defamation case worth $150 million. As expected, the actress did not want any dirt on herself. She tried to stop it by pleading for the case's dismissal. As per recent claims, the chief judge denied her motion. The decision became advantageous for Johnny Depp, raising his hopes. He now has plenty of time to collect evidence against Amber Heard as the trial is now scheduled in 2022. Surprisingly, the defamation case is now almost 2 years old, yet Amber Heard still tried to maintain distance from it. This is why she has made 3 similar pleas since 2019 regarding the dismissal only. Moving on, the case might go on trial in the Washington region. The name might sound familiar as the legal battle has its roots in the Washington Post. In 2018, Amber Heard wrote an article against her former spouse. The mention was not direct, but the actress gave enough hints. She labeled herself as the public face of women upliftment and domestic abuse. As a result, Heard was praised for her affirmative actions around the globe. She further spoke about the cultural wrath for speaking out. However, people could relate to her and thus showed heavy support. However, it seems shocking how Johnny Depp and Amber Heard went from lovebirds to rivals. Let us have a glance at their relationship timeline. First things first, the stars started working in 2009 for The Rum Diary. This is where they got to know each other better. Even though they were not involved romantically, a connection was still present. According to various sources, Johnny and Amber entered into a relationship at the end of 2011 or the start of 2012. They spent some time getting to know each other better and going for cute dates. It was 2015 when fans heard the news about the actors' marriage. They reportedly tied knots privately in Los Angeles. However, the relationship did not seem to be prosperous at all. In 2016, Amber Heard filed for a divorce from the Caribbean. However, it did not end things completely as the actress also filed a restraining order against Depp. She mentioned getting physically assaulted on many occasions. As per her claims, Johnny also consumed drugs and alcohol. She also quoted an incident during her marriage with Depp. It eventually led to Amber Heard having multiple bruises over her face. People are certainly inclined towards the woman in this story. As a result, a police investigation took place which could not find any firm grounds. According to a police spokesman, the radio call does not depict any crime scene. However, it is visible that Amber Heard was imposing false allegations on her former husband. The facts clearly indicate this strong possibility. Surprisingly, the era of Amber's lies just began from this point. Johnny Depp came ahead to deny any such accusations against him. According to the actor's representations, Amber had a goal of securing a premature financial resolution. Therefore, she reached to dirty extents to meet her objectives. The actress portrayed her image as a gold digger in front of the whole media. As we talked about earlier, it provided a major disadvantage for Johnny Depp. As a result, he was pushed into the cancel culture around the globe. He was not only eyed down, but also lost a suitcase against a magazine. Moving on, Judge Andrew Nicole took the hearing and indicated some truth in the published writing. Johnny Depp gained a major win against the case. If you do not know already, Amber Heard received an amount of $7 million after her divorce. It was the settlement money offered as compensation to the actress. In addition, she promised to donate the amount to some charity foundations. Well, her objective lied in gaining respect among the society. Therefore, people would appreciate her intention of doing something beneficial for the society. Unfortunately, however, the things never came to a reality. Johnny Depp claimed that one of the organizations named ACLU reached out to him for the money. However, those people never received a single penny from the 7 million US dollars. So it does not matter what Amber Heard did with all of that money. Various documents were also included in Johnny Depp's defense. Further, he received the permission of checking the status of the donation money. Amber Heard's attorney obviously came in her favor regarding this particular matter. Her judge mentioned Heard's plans of donating the money soon. She was involved in the case for a long time, which exhausted her mentally and financially. Moving on, we cannot expect Johnny's lawsuit to get dismissed shortly. Amber Heard grounded her reasoning based on the ruling of the London judge. It was related to the case filed against the Sun newspaper, where Depp lost. Judge labeled both scenarios to be completely different from each other. For instance, Amber Heard was only a witness for the 2018 article case. She did not form the party side or any stakeholder there. Thus, her argument seemed unjustified and failed to form any relevance here. There is no denying that it came at a huge victory for Johnny Depp. Courts decision became good news for the actor throughout this time. Even his lawyer Benjamin Shue appreciated the decision. It is curious to see what eventually happens in the trial next year. We can expect both sides to try their best in terms of arguments or evidence. Who knows if Johnny Depp ends up receiving his awaiting justice? Amber Heard was regarded as a perpetrator by her former partner instead of being a victim. Surprisingly, Johnny Depp is not the only one standing with this belief. Amber Heard's ex-girlfriend pointed to a similar argument. They broke up due to physical abuse only. It seems that Heard is playing a victim card from the beginning. Let us look at crucial phone recordings released in 2020. The special thing about these recordings is about Amber being extremely violent. She was heard hitting Johnny Depp on the phone. While the conversation was targeted at solving their relationship issues, unfortunately, it lasted for a long time and took an absurd turn. Let me quote some of her words here. "I was hitting you. It was not punching you. Babe, you're not punch." Moving on, the actress was initiating violence against her husband. It was one of the major reasons behind her unsuccessful dating life and pessimistic impression. Johnny Depp's exes came in his support, denying Amber's allegations. They proved to be a major boon for the overall case hearing. Thus, we know who is the real victim in the context. The actor faced severe consequences from the start. He was replaced by Mads Mikkelsen in The Fantastic Beasts without any adequate grounds. On the other hand, Amber Heard is enjoying her personal and professional life to the fullest. Despite such protests, she is still part of Aquaman 2. Amber also gave the news of becoming a single mother recently. It is clear that the actress might use her child to gain sympathy later on. However, no one could prevent her from ending up in prison. The case of Johnny Depp is turning strong over time. Even the court is getting aware of the actress's lies. So let us hope that Amber Heard would get exposed super soon. Her lies are getting out of control, and no perpetrator deserves to live innocently. We have to wait until the next hearing comes up. Which side are you on? Team Amber Heard or Johnny Depp? Do you think the judge will further rule out against the actress? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in another captivating video.